Managing a contracting business comes with plenty of challenges. Finding new leads, following up, and organizing appointments can take up valuable time that could be spent on your projects. That's why we've created a GoHighLevel GHL automation workflow template specifically for contractors. This solution streamlines your lead generation, automates follow-ups, and ensures you stay on top of your schedule, all while helping you grow your business. Here's how it works. Lead capture. The system automatically collects leads from your website, social media, and ads, organizing them in the GHL CRM. No more lost opportunities or scattered client information. Automated follow-ups. Once a lead reaches out, the system sends instant follow-ups via email or SMS, keeping your business top of mind and moving clients closer to booking a consultation or job. Appointment scheduling. With an integrated booking calendar, clients can schedule consultations or job assessments online, eliminating the hassle of back-and-forth calls. Project reminders and updates. Automated reminders ensure clients are ready for their scheduled jobs, and updates keep them informed throughout the process, reducing confusion and increasing trust. Post-project follow-ups. After the work is done, the system follows up to request feedback, promote additional services, and even gather referrals to help grow your business. This automation workflow template is designed to save you time, reduce manual work, and help you focus on delivering quality services. With lead capture, follow-ups, scheduling, reminders, and follow-through all handled automatically, you can keep your business running smoothly. Ready to streamline your contracting business? Click the link in the description below to download the full automation workflow template for GHL and start turning leads into loyal clients today. Don't wait. Automate your success now.